Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info. Today we have something special for you. An unboxing and first look at the brand new Sony Xperia 10 Mark VI. The range smartphone promises a blend of performance, durability and maybe eco-friendliness. So let's dive in. So first off, let's take a look at the packaging. So Sony has gone green with this one, and here as you can see the box. So basically it's the boxes in 6th generation looks pretty similar. So here we have the box made from Sony's original blended material, which is plastic free and uses bamboo, sugar, fibers and recycled paper. I don't know why, but they really write it really a lot about this package on main page of this device. So let's unbox it. So here we have a plumb. Let's remove it. Okay. Cool. All right. Here we have our Sony device. Cool. So wait, what we have in the box? Maybe cable? No, there is no cable in the box. There is no charger. There is no cable. This is new level, ladies and gentlemen. Cool. Okay. So what about device? So as you can see, Sony Xperia sitting right on top. So it feels, it feels really light. It weighs just only 158 grams. So dimensions of this device are compact too. It has 155, 68 and 8.3 millimeters. And as you know, here we have the Sony dimensions, Sony aspect ratio 21:9, and it means the device really good sitting in hand. Let's remove it from the screen. So cool. So here, as you can see, I have a device in black. It's really sleek black color. This device also available in white and blue. So I think in blue color it will looks maybe more interesting, but I'm afraid about this cover because it's not the glass. This is the semi-transparent resistant, resin material, and it's just a plastic, okay? And of course, I think if you have light color, you will have here yellow areas after several months of using this device. So I suggest you use this Sony device in case. Okay, moving on the front. So here we have a 6.1-inch OLED display with a resolution of 1080 up to 2520 pixels. So 21:9 aspect ratio, as I saw earlier. So the display supports 100% of DCI P3 color gamut because it's just Sony, and of course it's covered by Gorilla Glass Victus, so it's pretty durable. Okay, talking about the cameras. So here we have two cameras. We have one camera, so the main camera, so here is the primary sensor, 45 megapixels with an 1.8 aperture, and also 8 megapixels ultra wide sensor with as you can see. So with a 2.0 aperture. Here we have 8 megapixels front camera. Yes, only 8 megapixels. And that's it. Cool. And of course, you need to know that if you have Sony device, so you have maybe not too good. Is this scratch or not? You know, maybe. It looks like here I have the scratch in my device, and it's really strange. Okay. So what about camera app? So Sony devices has really not good camera application if you're not a pro. So for amateurs photography, they have really bad camera application. So I suggest you to install a pixel camera application on your device. If you don't know how to do it, just use search built-in YouTube application in our channel, and you can find the video about how to install pixel camera on any Android device. Okay, so under the hood, Xperia has Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1, so it's not really good processor. Maybe this is not the fastest one, but it's really bad because but it's really good for normal use of device. This processor paired with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, but here we have Sony device, and yes, we can expand our internal memory up to 1.5 terabytes. It's really amazing. In 2024, only Sony has this option. Still have. Okay, so as you can see, here we have a really vintage thing right here. Here we have as you can see, mini jack. It's just normal mini jack, 3.5 millimeters jack. So we have front stereo speakers, front stereo speaker. And what about music? So here we have LDAC connectivity, LDAC codec. It's really good for high resolution audio with headphones. Those supports the same codec, of course. What about connectivity here? So here we have Wi-Fi, really bad information for influencers, but here we have Wi-Fi. We doesn't have here Wi-Fi 6. We have just only Wi-Fi 802.11ac. So AX, this is the Wi-Fi 6, but here we have Wi-Fi 5. What about, so here we have, of course, NFC. Maybe here we have the logo of NFC. Yes, we have it here. As you can see, NFC is here. And here, of course, we have USB Type-C. And what about battery? Because on the main page of this device, you can find information on the main page. So, Sony Xperia 10 Mark VI, up to 2 days of battery durability. So here we have 5000 milliamperes battery that supports USB power delivery, fast charging, so you can use any charger to charge this device. Of course, here we have adaptive charging and battery care features from Sony. So, of course, these features can help you to extend battery life of your device. But I think that in normal mode, this device will not live 2 days. But it's just my thoughts. Cool. So here we have water and dust resistance, and it's a little bit strange, but on official page we have info about IP65 and IP68 at the same time. So IP65, we have IP6, so 6 stands for complete protection against dust, meaning no dust can... Oh, okay, talk back. 6, it's about the dust, so dust can't enter the phone. And 5 means the phone is protected against low pressure water jets from any directions. This means it can handle rain and splashes without being damaged. And we have IP68, so it's indicates complete protection against dust, and 8 means the device can be submerged in water up to 1.5 meters for up to 30 minutes without getting damaged. So this means you can, for example, accidentally drop it in water like a sink or shallow pool, and it should still work fine after you retrieve it. So, what about conclusions? So, this device is solid mid-range smartphone that costs only $400. And of course, this device has a focus on sustainability and durability, packed with some great features to its price, like power delivery, for example. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel. I hope this video was helpful for you, and bye. See you.